Time now for Eyewitness News. Call 12 for action. Millions of Americans will be getting rebate checks from their health insurance companies. But in Rhode Island, don't bother waiting because you're not getting one. Problem solver Susan Hogan joins us now with the details.
Well, the check's not in the mail. For thousands of Rhode Islanders, believe it or not, that's actually good news. Health insurance companies doing business in Rhode Island are getting a clean bill of health when it comes to how they charge their customers. But for the rest of the country, health insurance companies are paying up. Over the next few months, insurers will dole out more than $1 billion in rebates to 12 million Americans who were overcharged. The rebates come from a provision of a 2010 health care reform law that punishes insurers who spend too much of their policyholders' premiums for boosting company profits. Under the terms of the 80-20 rule, if an insurer's medical cost in 2011 were less than 80% of the premiums they collected, the premiums were considered to be excessive and consumers are entitled to rebates.
I do think that the federal law is trying to hold insurers more accountable for the premium dollars that consumers pay them.
Well, think of it this way. There's really no difference between this and getting a tax refund back. Well, it's nice getting a huge fat check at the end of the tax season. It only means you were paying too much the year before.
In Rhode Island, we've ensured that you can keep that money in your pocket up front and not have to pay it, receive it back later on after being overcharged by your insurance company.
While it appears health insurance is more affordable in Rhode Island than in other states, the health commissioner's office says there's a lot of work to be done to make it affordable to all.
This is only the first step, toward making health insurance more affordable, and we're going to continue to be very aggressive in making health insurance be as affordable as possible for all Rhode Islanders.
Now, Massachusetts residents will be getting rebate checks. On average, Bay Staters will receive just over $200 per family. The only other state not receiving rebates is New Mexico. If you have a consumer problem you need help solving, contact our Call 12 for Action Center Monday through Thursday from 11 until 1. Our hotline is 228-1850, or if you're interested in becoming a Call 12 for Action volunteer with me, you can call that same number you see right there on your screen. I'm problem solver Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.